Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gosia Our Home Cooking. Today I'd like to show you a very nice, simple and healthy recipe for salmon served on bed of spinach. I hope you like it. Oil. I have 5 pieces of salmon, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 clove of garlic on each piece of salmon will be awesome. Very nice. Next part will be black pepper, salt to taste, and lemon. And dill. I marinate salmon for 2 hours. After 2 hours I will bake in the oven. On a hot oil, chop half an onion, 4 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon chopped dry tomato. Next part, spinach. I got fresh spinach, about 376 grams, 13 ounces. I pre-cook a little bit. 1 cup yellow cheese and 1 spoon of cream cheese. Nice and quick dish. That will be an absolutely great addition for my salmon. Now we'll cook this for a little bit due to cheese is melt and all these ingredients combine nicely. Check the taste. I needed pepper, black pepper or salt. Oh, looks beautiful already. Ingredients nice combined. Let me try. A little bit salt. Tiny bit of pepper, black pepper. I'll add a little bit lemon juice. For my taste, I'll put 1 teaspoon and it's done. Try one more time. Perfect. I will bake salmon for 25 minutes, temperature 370 degrees. Salmon with spinach is done. If you like this video, make sure you give thumb up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching.